to Cookingclub. Today we're doing a new recipe. My name is Clara and this is my sister, Mia. Today we'll be doing pea pestos. We need olive oil, 1/3 cup, peas 150 grams, basil 2 handfuls, in this case a grown-up's hand, garlic 1, garlic clove, lemon 2 spoonfuls. Yeah, you have one.
Of lemon juice though?
Yeah. Cheese 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
Pine nuts with 13 grams.
30 grams.
30 grams. And that's
Do you know what tools you'll need?
What?
Do you know what tools you will need?
We need a bowl.
And a blender again.
So now we're putting all the ingredients in the blender. I'm starting with the lemon juice. Then I'll do the peas. I can't seem to take it out. No, this one.
Oh, tiny one.
Yeah. Hold on. And then I'm putting the garlic. The pine nuts, which are cooked now.
Yeah.
Toasted. And now, with this one, I'll have to cut the big end off. So I'll put the other bits.
And Clara, what else do you want to put in?
The cheese.
Go on then.
I can put these ones here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything in.
Can I help you? No, I'm okay. Okay. This is going to be so yummy. I want to do this. So now we've put the lid. We're going to put little by little the oil.
Shall I start?
Yeah. So once you've blended it looks like this. You can put the sauce on a burger, sandwich, or some
Pasta, no?
pasta, yeah.
No, aquí daban, Clara. Say goodbye.
Bye! Have a lovely day. Remember. I can't remember.